Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn supply chain management. Before learning supply chain management, let's discuss what supply chain means. A supply chain is a connected network of individuals, organizations, resources, activities, the technologies involved in the manufacturing and sales of a product or service. A supply chain start with the delivery of raw materials from a supplier to a manufacturer and end with the delivery of the finished product or services to the end consumers. Companies develop supply chain so they can reduce their cost and remain competitive in the business landscape. Now come to what is supply chain management or SCM. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and include all process that transform raw material into final products. It involves the activities streamlines of a business supply side activities to maximize customers value and gain a competitive advantages in the marketplace. Supply chain management works typically. Supply chain management attempt to control or link the product shipment and distributions of a product. By managing the supply chain, companies are able to cut excess cost and deliver products to the consumers faster. This is done by keeping together control of internal inventories, internal product distribution, sales, and the inventories of company vendors. In SCM, the supply chain manager coordinates the logistics of all aspects of the supply chain, which comprise five parts. 1. The plan of strategy, or second, the source of materials or services. Third, manufacturing. Fourth, delivery and logistics. Fifth, the return system of defective or unwanted product. The supply chain manager try to minimize shortage and keep cost as low as possible. They recommend improving productivity, quality, and efficiency of operations. Let's move on the typically supply chain management. Key performance indices or KPIs are crucial element of a successful supply chain management strategy. They identify required performance standards and allow supply chain managers to measure performance and identify areas needed attention. Additionally, they are useful for manufacturing performance improvements. Common keeps includes cash to cycle time, the time between paying for raw materials and receiving payment for good delivered, which matter in determining working capital requirement. Perfect order rate, the number of orders delivered without error, which is a crucial metric for organizations striving for perfections and often broken down further by the functions GRAMI or the gross margin return on investment. It measures the amount of gross profit earned on the cost of inventory used, which is a metric commonly used in retail. Go through, like the video, share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.